Instagram is the largest photo and video sharing platform in the world. Instagram statistics clearly show that many people go to this platform every day and spend many hours of the day on it. For many of us, social media has become an integral part of our lives. In this video, we have collected most interesting things about Instagram, which will surely be interesting for you. More than 50% of Instagram users use Explore to discover new content and new accounts to follow. On average, Instagram users have the most interaction in the afternoon, especially at 13 and 5 in the afternoon. 90% of Instagram users follow at least one brand. The advertising turnover on Instagram is more than $17.4 billion a year. 78% of Instagram users are under 35 years old. Instagram is the third largest social network in the world after Facebook and YouTube. 8% of Instagram accounts are fake. The 6 countries that use Instagram the most are India, United States, Russia, Turkey, Brazil, and the United Kingdom. Instagram is the 5th most visited site in the world. Cristiano Ronaldo is the most popular Instagram star.